Is your set of 2 8-ounce Figural Ramekins. So as you can see, really nice 8-ounce ramekin, but it is shaped like beautiful little roosters. These were very popular at over $21, almost $22. They are now 4 easy payments of $4, so about $8 a piece. You're getting them home for free shipping and handling. And here's what I want you to know. These are temptations. They're beautiful no matter how you look at them. Whether you're going to cook these incredible little meals in them, or you're just putting them out, using them even as little candy dishes. You know, you can put your little Easter chocolate-covered little eggs in here. They're really, really pretty. And I want to say hello to our good friend Lisa Lasorte, who brings us Temptations. Lisa, I'm thinking for everyone who loves that farmhouse look, this is just an absolute must-have right out of the gate.
Yeah, Sandra, this is one of our newest patterns, and it's one of our most popular. And we have it in white, which I love because it just matches back to everything, but it's cuteness overload, right? You're getting 2 of the 8-ounce, what we call Doodle Ramekins. Absolutely adorable. But not only are they adorable, they're functional. So they go into the oven up to 500 degrees. They can fit in your air fryer. They can go in your toaster oven, your microwave. You're going to clean them in the dishwasher. But what I love about them is all the beautiful decor around here. So when we get in close, you're going to see that beautiful figural rooster that goes all the way around the outside of the ramekin right there. So look at his beautiful little head, all the detail from his nose to his eye. And I'm not really good at all the body parts of a rooster, but you know what I mean.
Well, Mary and I are. We know all the parts of a rooster. You've come to the right place.
Okay. I have a chart here on the wall.
Mary says she has a chart on the wall.
Just unfurl it.
That's perfect. All right, I'll point, and you guys just tell me what I'm pointing to. How's that? Even when I show you the profile, it's just beautiful, all beautiful, embossed in, again, that gorgeous white pattern right there. So look how stunning that is. Like, Sandra, I agree with you. Perfect for spring, right? Perfect, put maybe your jelly beans, your candies, anything like that in. We are retiring this set, and what an amazing value to get some ramekins. But let me inspire you and give you some ideas of what to do once, well, yeah, once you get them home. So we did, well, what else are you going to do in a little rooster ramekin? You're going to do chicken pot pies.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I can't even stand how cute that is.
Yes, and it's like portion control at the same time. And notice when we designed these, how the head and how the feathers at the bottom create a natural handle. So now I literally more place for crust. I love that. Great for portion control at 8 ounces as well. But we know how popular like charcuterie board, breakfast boards, waffle boards are. Layer them into maybe the bamboo trays that you picked up or any existing items, and then build the food around it. And now you have that pop of conversation right in the center of your tray.
These are so darn cute. 4 easy payments of $4. You know what you could also do? I mean, they also make just really great $8 gifts. You can fill them with a little something if you want, fill them with candy. But for me, this whole idea of, you know, I'm not maybe making anything all that special. I'm cooking, you know, 2 little side dishes or 2 little entrees with this. The fact that this can go in the air fryer, can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, can go in the microwave. I'm thinking about, like, if I'm serving vegetables in this or just a regular bowl, which one do you think your kid's more likely to eat? Like, there's just, it makes an everyday meal feel really special. Even for, like, little desserts and ice cream after dinner. Nice and sturdy. What are you coming over?
They're a little yin and yang shaped too. By the way, here's all the parts of a rooster. Just see.
Oh my God, she really did bring over the parts of a rooster. There's something called a back cape, a wing bar, a thigh hawk, a crest, excuse me, I'm thinking of the crust.
There you go.
The only thing these are missing are the shank spur.
And look at his little rumpus is called Fluff. I think that's adorable. It's adorable. Okay, I'm out.
Yes. Sandra, the fluff over here on this side creates a handle. I love this. And then, I'm sorry, what is this called at the top right here? Right, this part, which Sandra knows and I don't.
I think she said,
called the comb and the points.
That's called the comb and the points.
Yes.
I actually did know that. I just forgot. Okay, the comb and the point have that natural handle, and the floof, or the fluff, right there. And I love the depth on it. But, Sandra, you're so right. Like, maybe your children, your grandchildren are coming over. Cereal in the morning. What a fun memory for them.
Even like
Right,
oatmeal,
or
like a
maybe-
baked oatmeal in
Yes.
there, put your overnights in oats in there.
Yes.
And, you know, truly, as we talk to our QVC customers, we are finding more and more when people say, what's your favorite home aesthetic? They're saying farmhouse. And so if you feel like you
Yes.
love that farmhouse look too, grab them. You'll find something to do with them, many things to do with them, in fact. But what you can't do is wait, because when they're gone, they're gone. If you want them, give us a call,
Yeah.
1-800-500-7590. And if you decided not to purchase, at least you learned something about chicken parts. But I would definitely say pick them up. They're so beautiful. Lisa, thank you so much.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Exactly. We're not just all fluff here.
We're not.
We're educational too.
Are we saying toodaloo to doodle-doo? Oh, come on.